Walmart Pharmacy is a nationwide pharmacy chain located inside Walmart stores, offering prescription medication, over-the-counter drugs, and immunization services. It is known for its affordability, including the $4 generic prescription program, which provides low-cost medication without insurance. And here are the key features about this platform: $4 generics and competitive drugs price, located in most Walmart stores across the United States, and also refill the transfer prescription via the Walmart app or website, and also flu shot, COVID-19 vaccine, and more, which is immunization and health services, and also work with Medicare, Medicaid, and private insurers. And here are the pros and cons about this platform: lower medication price with many traditional pharmacies, convenient for Walmart shoppers, online prescription management for easy refills, walk-in immunization is available, and offer home delivery for some prescription. And also here the downside: long wait time at busy location, customer service can vary by stores, and limited personalized pharmacist consultation compared to smaller pharmacies, and some specialties medication may not be available. And here the final verdict about this platform, which is Walmart Pharmacy is a great option for affordable medication, especially for those without insurance. However, long wait time and inconsistent customer service at some locations can be drawback, and if you prioritize cost over speed, it's a solid choice for you.